Welcome to healthcare. If you're ready to unlock the secret to stronger abs, you're in the right place. Forget the frustration of endless crunches without results. Today, we'll show you effective exercises, essential nutrition tips, and lifestyle habits that will give you the abs you've always wanted. Whether it's to look good, feel confident, or boost your fitness performance, this video will cover everything you need. Let's get started.
The importance of core strength.
A strong core isn't just about looking good. It's essential for balance, stability, and posture. With a strong core, everyday tasks like bending, lifting, or standing for long periods become easier. Plus, it helps prevent injuries and supports your overall fitness. Think of your core as your body's anchor. It stabilizes you, whether you're exercising, working, or even sitting. A weak core, on the other hand, can lead to back pain and mobility issues over time.
The best ab exercises that work.
Here are 3 highly effective exercises you can start today to build your core strength. Planks. This full-body exercise targets the core, shoulders, and lower back. Hold it for as long as you can, and you'll feel the burn. Bicycle crunches. This one's great for your obliques. Slow, controlled movements make all the difference here. Leg raises. Focus on your lower abs. Keep your lower back flat against the ground to avoid strain.
Nutrition. Abs are made in the kitchen.
No matter how hard you train, your abs won't show without the right diet. What you eat directly impacts your progress. Protein-rich foods, eggs, lean meat, and legumes help repair and build muscle. Healthy fats include avocados, nuts, and olive oil to keep your energy levels steady. Fiber, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains improve digestion and prevent bloating. Hydration. Water is crucial for fat loss and muscle recovery. Stay hydrated. Avoid processed foods and sugars. They'll slow your progress.
How to stay consistent for results.
Consistency is the key to unlocking stronger abs. Start small. Aim for 3 core workouts each week. Track your progress to stay motivated. And remember, building strong abs is a journey, not a race. Every workout counts, even if you don't see results right away. Stick to your routine, and before you know it, you'll see and feel the difference.
That's it for today's video. Now you have the tools and knowledge to build stronger abs and a healthier core. Start today, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Thanks for watching Healthcare. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your journey to stronger abs and a better life starts now.